Hey, you guys. Okay, I'm back with another Bob and Brad super cool massage device. Okay, these guys are just amazing. So they came out with an eye massager, which I didn't even know existed. So I was pretty excited to give it a try. So I just wanted to go through the unboxing with you a little bit. It comes, everything that they've put out, everything that I've received from them is super high quality. So that's one thing I really, really love. And Taffy loves it too, right, Taffy? Yeah. So they're beautiful gifts. So even if it's not for yourself, but this is for somebody else, they're just really impressive, packaged, quality, everything. So when you remove the lid, right, really smooth, you got a little quick guide card. So if you don't want to read through the entire instruction manual, which I hope you do, and I recommend doing it because I did, and even though the quick guide has a few points on it, the key points like taking off glasses, contacts, fake eyelashes, not walking around or standing up when using the device, that your eyes may be blurry after the session, little things like that, and then just a quick guide on how to use the buttons. There's much more information in the instruction manual, so I do recommend going through this once you purchase the device, but here's a quick guide just in case. And then inside it comes in this little cute little travel pouch. So this is super great for packing on an airplane or in your suitcase when you're in the hotel, right? Really nice relaxation tool. So easy pouch. Again, just a really nice gift. I already thought of like 5 people I could give this to for Christmas. So it's a really nice present. When you open up the little pouch, you have a charger cable. Now, they do recommend, it comes with a half charge when you get the device, but a full charge is what they recommend using it for the first time on. So you want to plug it in and charge it all the way. It has this really cool little expanding device, so it folds in half, but then you just fold it out to full expansion. And then it's got a rubber band with adjustability on the back, and you want it firm to your face, right? Not falling down. I do recommend laying down for this. I tried it both ways, sitting up and laying down. Laying down just felt a lot better because it is meant to relax and massage. If you are on the computer all day and you need to take a break from the computer, this is a really nice thing to do in between during that break time. Okay, so anyway, folds open to full expansion. It has like a little faux leather padding on the inside. They recommend not turning it on until it is on your face. So it has physical buttons rather than just sensor touch buttons, physical buttons that you need to depress to turn it on. So there's a power button, you hold it for 2 seconds, it turns on the device, and then hold it for 2 seconds, it turns off the device. The nice thing, it has voice broadcasting. So once the device is on, it will say device on. So you know it's on and working. It immediately defaults to mode 1, which is air pressure, heat, and voice broadcasting and music. So the music that's built into this is, those calming sounds, right? Like a running stream, white noise, what were the other ones? Piano, meditation, soft rain. But it also pairs to your Bluetooth. So if on your phone, you turn on your phone and you go down to your Bluetooth settings, in there it'll say Bob and Brad Eye Massager. Okay, and then you just click on that and automatically now your music is paired, any music you have on your phone is paired to your device and you can play your own music, which is kind of nice. So power button I went over already. Now you have your 3 other buttons, which are air pressure, volume, and heat. Each of those have options. Okay, so your air pressure, you have 4 options on air pressure. So it's gonna default to a low pressure or a light pressure mode, right? If you press it, give it one tap, it'll cycle through its different settings. And the nice thing is the voice broadcasting, as long as you haven't turned off the voice prompting, it'll tell you low pressure, medium pressure, high pressure, no pressure. So you know what you're on. So those are your 4 options, low, medium, high, and no pressure. And then you have your volume, right? And tapping that will just increase the volume. I think there's 4 options also for volume, low, medium, high, and then no volume, which will also turn off broadcasting, voice broadcasting. Your heat settings, there's only 2. It's low or high. or no. So if you want to include the no heat, that's your third option. And again, you can cycle through those with just one little tap. Now the mode settings are, you can cycle through your modes. There are 5 modes which have preset details, right? Those you use the power button to cycle through. So just one tap of your power button instead of that long hold that turns it on or off. It's one little tap and you'll cycle through mode 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So mode 1, I already told you that's the default setting, right? It's low pressure, high heat, and medium music, okay? So mode 2 is only air and heat, no music, okay? Mode 3 is only air pressure. And again, these are in your instruction manual. I'm just going through it for you. But your mode 4 is heat only, no voice, no pressure. And then your mode 5 is heat and music. Okay, so those are already defaults. If you want to just cycle through those, you can kind of play with it. Ultimately, if you own the device, you're going to find the setting that works best for you. Whether it's relief from a migraine or it's just pure relaxation, you'll know what works for you. And then once you're done, you long pressure hold that power button, fold it in half, and stick it away. Now it takes about 2 to 3 hours to fully charge. So just so you know that, it will have a red light that will flash right here by the power button when it's low, right? And it'll also voice prompt and it'll say low battery. So you'll have an idea of what you need to do. 15 minutes is the cycle time. It will automatically shut off after 15 minutes, and they don't recommend using it for any longer than 20 minutes, which I can also attest to. That amount of time is just enough. When you take it off, your eyes are blurry because it's been massaging and depressing that eye socket a little bit. So don't be shocked by that. It takes a minute or two for the blurriness to kind of go away and for you to refocus and reset. But again, not a bad thing, right? How often do we massage our eyes? We don't. We don't do that at all. So it's a nice tool, so you don't have to worry about that, right? So again, I actually think this is just a fabulous gift. So that is in my head already. I got lots of people that I feel like could use this because they sit on the computer all day, or they just have really stressful jobs, right? And instead of, heating up an eye pack in the microwave or pulling it out from the freezer and just laying it on your eyes, right, which doesn't necessarily do much, this has a lot more to offer, which is pretty cool. So, awesome little device, Bob and Brad. You always do it. Nice job. It's beautifully packaged, beautiful quality. All right, guys, so if you love this and you're interested in purchasing the device, there is an Amazon link below this video. Go ahead and click on that. It'll take you right to Amazon. With the discount code I have listed there, you'll get 10% off. So that's not too shabby either. I think it retails for about $60. So with the discount code, that'll be a nice little ad right there. All right, you guys, if you have questions for me, send me a message. I will get back to you, and I look forward to seeing you soon.